super quick tech tip for you here, because I just had this situation and it was super annoying, and it's happened to me before too. If you've ever been trying to send an iMessage to somebody else, like a text message from iPhone to iPhone, and it fails the iMessage connectivity and it asks you, do you want to retry as SMS as a text message? It asks you if you want to retry as an email, and you're like, that's the dumbest thing ever. Why would I ever want to try as email? Also, because if somebody can't get my iMessage, it means because either Wi-Fi or data is not working where they are, in which case, why would they be able to check an email? It literally, I cannot think of a single scenario where that would be what I would want. But I figured out why, and it's really annoying. But basically, when you start a conversation with somebody, if their email is listed at the top, it will go to their email. Whereas if it's their phone number, it will go to their phone number. Let me show you what I mean. You need to go in as if you're typing a new message, even if you already have a previous conversation with this person, which obviously you would if you're having this problem. Press this arrow button, change the check mark. It's going to be on email, change it to text so that they will actually get the message from text as the retry. Now, hopefully you will never have to deal with that annoying feature again. Like I am not going to have to in the future. Very silly. Don't know why that's a default. I'm sure someone in the comments will have a reason why that makes sense, but for me, it doesn't make any sense. But at least we both know how to fix it now. Until next time, peace.